Code meshing, definition and explanation. In the context of diversity, equity and inclusion, DEI, code meshing is a vital concept that promotes linguistic diversity and challenges traditional language norms. Code meshing refers to the practice of blending various dialects, languages, or speech patterns within a single conversation, piece of writing, or communication. Code meshing allows people to use their home languages, regional dialects, or cultural vernaculars alongside standardized forms of communication without switching between them. It differs from code switching, where individuals consciously shift between different languages or dialects depending on the audience or setting. With code meshing, the fusion of languages occurs naturally and fluidly, reflecting a person's authentic voice and identity. In DEI contexts, embracing code meshing can foster a more inclusive environment. It recognises that language is a key part of cultural identity and seeks to validate the way individuals communicate. Encouraging code meshing helps challenge the idea that certain dialects or ways of speaking are inferior or unprofessional. Code meshing plays a crucial role in advancing equity in diverse spaces. Historically, non-standard language varieties, such as African American Vernacular English, AAVE, Creole, or regional dialects, have been stigmatized in academic and professional settings. This discrimination often creates barriers for individuals from underrepresented groups, making them feel pressured to conform to dominant language norms. By allowing individuals to blend their linguistic expressions freely, code meshing helps dismantle this linguistic hierarchy. It enables people to express themselves in ways that are authentic to their identities, without the fear of judgment or marginalization. From a DEI perspective, this promotes a more equitable and inclusive environment where linguistic diversity is celebrated rather than suppressed. Imagine a classroom where a student from a Caribbean background is asked to write an essay. Rather than adhering strictly to standard English, the student incorporates elements of Jamaican patois into their writing, seamlessly blending the two. The student might use patois to express certain cultural concepts that are difficult to capture in standard English, while still ensuring the essay is understandable to a wider audience. For example, the way we reason about things, it's deeper than just talk. It's like my granny always say, "Yuh afi see die heart behind die words." In this instance, the student is engaging in code meshing, bringing their cultural voice into their academic work. Instead of being penalised for improper language use, the student's linguistic creativity is valued. For code meshing to thrive, educators, employers, and leaders in diverse environments must actively support and normalise it. This means moving away from rigid language policies and understanding that effective communication can take multiple forms. Encouraging code meshing also signals to individuals that their backgrounds are respected and valued, which can lead to greater inclusion and engagement. In educational settings, teachers can create assignments that allow students to express their ideas using a blend of linguistic styles. In the workplace, managers can cultivate a more inclusive culture by recognising and respecting the various ways employees communicate instead of enforcing strict language expectations. Code meshing is more than just a linguistic practice. It is a tool for empowerment and inclusion. By embracing the natural blending of languages and dialects, we can create spaces where people feel valued for who they are, not just how they speak. In the context of DEI, promoting code meshing challenges traditional power structures around language, helping to break down barriers and build more inclusive communities. By understanding and supporting code meshing, organisations and institutions can create environments that respect linguistic diversity and promote equity. As the world becomes more globalised, recognising the importance of language inclusivity is essential for fostering truly diverse and equitable spaces.